Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Happy Kona4u. Today's video is about the earring organizer. Yes, you heard it right. If you are new to this channel, all you need to do is subscribe this channel and don't forget to click on a bell icon, as you will get notified whenever I am on a YouTube. For earring organizer, all we need is a cardboard, hot glue gun, scissor and cutter. Without wasting much time, let's get started. If you like this video, give a huge thumbs up and don't forget to comment down your opinions on this DIY.